Hi, this is Beautify It. Welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie and I'm going to be updating a tallboy dresser with chalk paint. And I'm going to be showing you step by step the entire process, start to finish, on how I updated this outdated dresser and made it absolutely gorgeous. If you like this video, go ahead and please hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So I'm going to use the Greenie Strip and Clean Furniture Stripper. I'm going to be painting the dresser in the sea salt. Actually, I got everything from Wiesel. And this is the first time I'm going to be using any of their paint products. So I love this color, sea salt. I haven't stirred it yet, but it's going to be like this mint, kind of a greenish color. So... and then I got Snow Owl, and then I got the primer. I got a glaze. I'm not sure if I'm even going to use that, but I did get it. I got the matte varnish, and I got some of the brushes they recommended. So I just finished putting the furniture stripper on the drawers. So now I'll leave this sit for a couple hours, and then I'll come back and scrape it. I put on 2 coats of the stripper. I did 1 coat, went back, and then did another coat. And as you can see, this stuff is just coming right off. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. I actually just used these wire bristles to do the sides because it's kind of impossible to use the scraper to do the sides without putting marks into the wood. So all I do is use this and scrape the sides to get the rest of the stain on. I also bought this Greenie's clean just to get this, product, the stripper, off here. Next, I have a clean pad here, and I'm just going to wipe it down with just a clean water on here, just to get all the chemicals off. Now my next step is to sand the drawers with the 220 grit sandpaper, and just to get off any extra stain I didn't get off with the paint stripper, and to smooth everything out. I just sprayed them down with a simple green, and then I wiped them down with a wet clean sponge, just water. And now I'm going to take them outside, and I just roughly sanded inside the drawer. So this I'm leaving because I'm going to put liner here. But on the sides, I obviously don't want it this color. So I kind of just roughed it up. And each side, I'm going to spray with this stone gray paint and primer in one. Here's the drawers with the sides painted. I'm ready to paint my first coat of paint on the drawers. So what I did is I'm using this Klingon F50 brush, and I dampened it. Then my paint stirred. And then I'm just going to work in small sections. all painted, and I have put on the sealer. I did 2 coats of the Wise Owl Varnish, and now I'm drilling holes to put the knobs on. So these are the knobs I found. I got them at Home Goods, like 12 bucks. So, and they're really nice knobs. So I'm using those, and then I'm also using this tool to make sure that I get the knobs in the same spot on all the drawer fronts. So what I'm doing, like I said, I'm using this tool, and so I have the knobs in the same spot on every drawer. So I have it all lined up where I want to go. And I just mark it. And then I do the same thing on the other side. And basically, that should be lined up. And then I'll go ahead and drill it. So now I'll just put it in here. And then I'll just screw it in, and it's gonna look really nice. So the drawers are done as far as putting in the knobs. And then I got this paper that I'm gonna put on the side of the drawers and on the inside on the bottom. So I thought that's really pretty. So I'm gonna be doing that next. In between drawer painting, I did some planting yesterday. So I'm gonna show you. Working on the dresser, and I did all the same steps that I did with the drawers for this part. So I stripped it, sanded it, primed it, painted it. This I left as raw wood because I'm going to kind of apply a whitewash. So I'm going to show you how I did that. I took white paint, so I have 50% paint, 50% water. And I'm going to apply it to the bare wood, and then I'm going to let it sit a couple minutes, and then I'll just wipe it back until I get the look that I'm looking for. So it's just personal preference. I also dampen my brush. Just go ahead and start applying this. here I just took a grocery bag. And then I'll just let it sit here for a minute or two. Okay, so I'll just wipe it back a little bit just to the look that I'm looking for on it. And I'm just using a shop towel. And I keep just folding this over until I get clean towel. So I'm not wiping paint I just took off back over into the area that I'm trying to wipe off. Okay. There you go. That's all you do. So this looks gorgeous. So I'm going to do the same thing to the sides and to the bottom and to the top. I've got the wood whitewashed. So, and the top. Now I'm going to let it dry. Here's the sides and then the bottom piece. So I'm going to let everything dry, and then I'll go back, and if I see that there's anything else I need to do, I may sand down some spots. I could add more white if I want it whiter, whatever the case may be. Here's the finished product. It came out absolutely gorgeous. I am so in love with this dresser. I cannot believe how gorgeous this came out. Here's the top. And then here's the drawers. Here's the drawers. Open, and it looks so nice with the paper. The green sea salt paint by Wise Owl. So I'm not sure if I mentioned it at the beginning of this video, but this dresser was actually my grandma's. Then my mom got it, and now I have it. So it's kind of a special dresser, and I'm going to keep it. But I absolutely love the way this came out. So let me know if you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Let me know your opinions, and I'll be doing something else soon. Not sure what, but I will be doing some more furniture.